Digital to analog. USB-C, DP 1.2 Alt Mode HBR2. Adapter lets you connect a single VGA display supporting 2048 by 1280, 1920x1200, 1920 extension 1080 at 60 Hz. Equipped with EDID support DDC pass-through. 60W pass-through charging. USB-C display adapter with up to 60W power delivery to power charge your laptop while displaying video on a VGA monitor, projector using a single USB-C port. Compatibility. Works with DisplayPort over USB Type-C, TB3 compatible. Laptops like Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, Dell XPS 13, HP EliteBook, TB3 MacBook Pro 13, Air, Surface Book 3, Laptop 3, Chromebook. Portable. Connect a VGA monitor or projector to your laptop, or add a secondary display to your workstation. Portable black USB-C to VGA converter can be carried in your laptop bag during travel. Easy to use. USB-C to VGA adapter supports a driverless plug-play setup. Works with Mac OS, iPad OS, Windows, Chrome OS Linux. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3 previous versions of DisplayPort. Connector type. Coaxial. Top reviews from the United States. Works really well. Perfect. Works like a charm with my HP Elite X2 1012. All USB-C dongles like this should have power pass-through. Wish that there was a combined VGA HDMI version, but in the meantime, we'll use both this one and the HDMI version separately.